Okay, today I am going to start microwave lab practicals, practical number 2, measuring the attenuation of the line. The aim of the experiment is to study the attenuation of characteristics of the transmission line. So, apparatus used for this experiment are this is function generator, then DSO, then transmission line trainer kit and multimeter. And what are the procedures of these practicals? I am going to explain this. First, we have to connect the jumper. This is the jumper, okay, between point 1 and 2. Then function generator is a sine. We have to set in the sine wave at 1 megahertz frequency. The amplitude of the frequency should be 5 volt peak to peak, and we should connect this output to the DSO to adjust the peak to peak voltage. Then the output from the function generator is connected to the input of the input 1 of the transmission line kit. The output of the 100 meter, that means from output 4, is connected to the DSO channel number 2 to see the output, and to measure the voltage at 25 meter, 50 meter, 75 meter and 100 meter length of transmission line, channel 2 of the DSO is used. Now I am going to switch on the function generator. Now I will adjust the function generator at 1 megahertz frequency. It is already adjusted. Now I will connect the output of the function generator to the DSO channel number 1, and I will switch on the DSO also. Now DSO will automatically detect the signal. Okay, this signal is coming 1 megahertz frequency signal, and we have adjusted the peak to peak voltage of the signal at 5 volt peak to peak. Okay, now we will connect this output of the function generator to the input of the trainer kit. First, I have connected to the 25 meter transmission line. Now we will check the output of the transmission line for 25 meter, and we will connect this output to the DSO, and we will run the DSO. Okay, the output is coming. So the voltage of this DSO will be noted down for 25 meter. So we get, so for 25 meter, the input voltage we applied 12 volt, and the output voltage we got 10.6 volt. And attenuation for this line, we use this formula A equal to 20 log V2 by V1, that means output by input, and we got it minus 1.077. Next, we will go for 50 meter transmission line. We will connect the output here. We will connect the output from the first transmission line 25 meter to 50 meter. Accordingly, we will get the output at DSO. Okay, the output is coming. The output we got, it is 9.4 volt, and the input is same 12 volt input. And for this attenuation we got minus 2.21. Now I will go for 75 meter transmission line. this 75 meter. The output is connected to the DSO again, and we will run the DSO. Okay, it is showing about it is showing about 9.2 volt at the output. The input is same, and the attenuation you get minus 2.307. Now we'll connect the next 25 meter transmission line. The total length of the transmission line has become now 100 meter. Now the output is coming about 8.4 volt, and the input is 12, and the attenuation we get minus 3.098. So these are the data which we collected from this practical. So